Hi there, Tenzi here. I received my package from Ice Yarn and let's open it. And there they are. I got some rainbow yarn, the number 64626 Picasso. Let's get one and see. Oh, it's so soft. It's It's 44% acrylic, 56 polyester. It's 50 grams and 115 meters. The recommended knitting needles are 5 millimeters or US 8, and it's a medium 4-weight yarn. It's made in Turkey and cannot wait to start a new project with it. So it is very squishy. It is one of the most popular yarns at Ice Yarn, and it's one of the most popular colors out there. It's this rainbow colors of that number, and it looks very shiny. It has this halo. The halo makes the color. Under it is a chain spun type of yarn, so it actually will not split at all. So that's really neat. The colors are very yummy and very, very pretty, very bright. Those pinks and yellows and greens and blues, turquoise, purples, such a lovely mix. I didn't order too much. I just wanted to try it. It is fluffy. It is very mohairish, even though there's no wool in it. And this halo makes it look like a mohair, and it looks fantastic. So great. So let's try and see how it crochets. So even though it says it's a 4-weight yarn, I don't think I'll use 5.5 for that. I'll go for 5, and I even think this is too thick. So let's try that. And let's try. Yeah, that doesn't, the chains are quite big here. I'll go one less, half a size less, so 4.5. Let's try this. Let's start the slip knot this time. And chain 3. Now it slides so easily. So great. And that halo makes it so fun to work with. It does not snag. It's just so soft and buttery. 5, 6. Those stitches look so pretty. Let's see what's the next color that's coming up. If I want less of a drapey fabric, I will go a size smaller probably. Even 4 will be okay. But this gives it a nice little movement. So I'll stick with this crochet hook. So let's see, purples are coming up. Very pretty. Oh, look at this. When those colors go on top of each other, they all go together so well. It turns into a soft and squishy hat with those beautiful vibrant colors with a slight sheen due to the base of the yarn, and that halo, if you can see, is just divine. It's so pretty. It's just turned so pretty. Look at these colors. Love them. Love them. So check this tutorial and let me know what you think. Have you tried ice yarns before? For me, this was my first order and my first experience with ice yarn. I did not order anything else. I just really wanted to try this yarn because I saw it everywhere. It looks like it's very popular, and those colors are just great. It will, since it's acrylic, it will be really a warm yarn, and it will be great to play around with it. It will be also great to make amigurumis, festival wear, and unicorns. That will be so great for unicorn mane. And hats, mittens, scarves. It will be just looking great. So I hope you enjoyed this little review slash demonstration of the yarn, and check the full tutorial of the hat, and I'll catch you in the next one.